Hello and welcome to TA for Traders. It is Friday the 12th of January. In this video we're going to look at the charts on the British pound against the US dollar. So the code GBP USD. What we'll see is that the pound has had a good run, but it's come up to some critical resistance. Will it break through? Let's look at those charts. So starting with the weekly chart, so each candle or bar on the chart represents 1 week's trade, and you can see that the rally that we've seen on the pound, which was very positive in that it came from the support from the 20-week moving average, has taken us up to the resistance that we saw from September. Now, as you can see, there is an uptrend in place. I would suggest that we're only at the middle area of that uptrend, which is positive. You can also see that we've got positive upside momentum. The RSI is in a shallow uptrend, is very positive. It's at 63.13, indicative of upside momentum. And the MACD as well, the short term has just moved above the long term, and many technical analysts will see that as a buy-in opportunity, as it's indicative that the upside momentum is increasing. Because of that, I expect the resistance to be broken and for a move up, with the middle of the next resistance seen, or the upper boundary, sorry, of the uptrend seen at about 142. Moving on to the daily, so each bar or candle on this chart represents 1 day's trade. You can see today's trade has broken a short-term flag to the upside, so further upside should be expected. You can see those resistance levels from September. I'll give you the exact levels in a few moments. The high was the 20th of September. Again, we've got positive moves from the moving averages. The 20-day gave the support, which was good. Did create a golden cross with the 50 as they crossed, and also the 200 is moving up. And you can see here also the RSI indicative of upside momentum. And again, the short-term MACD has just moved above the longer term, marginally 0.0059 against 0.0055. Obviously low figures on there at the moment as we've been range trading, but that upside momentum and the moving averages, I expect for the resistance to be broken. Actually, it's very similar to what we've seen on the oil price. Do look at my oil video I did earlier in the week, and you'll see there that we were up against longer term resistance. I expect it to be broken, and it has now been broken. On the 4 hour on the pound, again you can see that we've broken this downtrend, this flag that we had. It's broken above the previous high on the flag, which was from the 3rd of January, so that's positive. Also positive that it was a trampoline effect from the 50 average on this 4 hour chart. RSI again indicative of upside momentum, 66.9. MACD also positive. That will become more positive on later this afternoon or on Monday when the longer term moves above 0. It's presently negative 0.0002. So looking at those support and resistance levels, we have got resistance from that 15th of September, 136.168, and then, as I said, that 20th of September resistance, 36.594. Supports come in at the 50 of the 4 hour, 35.47, and then at the 20-day, which is at 34.68. So that's been TA for Traders, looking at the pound against the dollar. The key takeaways from the video are that we're at key resistance, but it does look like it will break upwards. We've got solid upside momentum, and those moving averages are supportive for a break. And as I mentioned on the weekly, we're only at the middle of the medium term uptrend. The upper boundary is around the 142 level. Many thanks for watching this video. I do hope you found it of interest. Please remember, these videos are my opinion and they are not an investment recommendation.